In this challenge review, we're going to add player speed. So let's open up our player script here. Reload the solution if you have to. And in here, we're going to basically create at the top a variable for our speed. So I'm going to say private float underscore speed. And let's set it to default about 5.0f. Now, to be able to modify this in real time in the inspector, I want to use serialized field. Now, the reason we do this is because I don't necessarily want anyone outside of the player script to affect my speed variable, but I would like to basically change it in the inspector. So I use the serialized field approach while being able to keep it private. So private float speed is 5, and from here I now need to apply that to my rigid body.velocity. Well, that's as simple as literally coming into where I change the velocity and applying my move times my speed. By multiplying my move times my speed, it takes that vector value and multiplies it. So let's go ahead and save this, and it's going to take the 1 and multiply it by my speed, which is a 5. Therefore, on the x velocity, we're basically adding a force of 5. So if we run this, you'll see here on our player, we have a speed of 5, and now I am speeding away here. Now, the reason why we wanted to make this a serialized attribute is because it's clearly too fast, and I can now hop into here and change this to about a 3. And I'd say that's a much more reasonable speed, and maybe even lower, maybe a 2. So 2.5. You'll be able to mess around with this and see what values you like. I think I'm okay with 2.5 here. And basically we want to be able to make it to these additional platforms. So here we can jump to that platform and we can make it to this one. That's really what's important there. All right, and you'll see here I'm just getting stuck here. We're going to fix this later in the course. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.